Here's how we're going to use the Z-Fold Haemostatic Gauze. This is a large haemostatic gauze for larger wounds. This is to be used in wounds that can be compacted. Remove the gauze from the packaging using the little tear away. Take out the gauze, find your first layer and push it with your thumb into the wound. Using a thumb over thumb action, just pack it into the wound, using as much as possible. So we wouldn't use this on an abdomen because abdomens and chests are classed as areas that you will be unable to compact because the area inside is so massive, and you just end up using countless amounts of this type of gauze. The places where you're most likely to use this type of dressing are on limbs, upper thighs, arms, that has a significant amount of bleeding that you want to stop. This will help apply pressure. This is a hemostatic dressing which is coated in a special substance that promotes clotting of the blood, okay, which then will help in the reduction of bleeding. Once we've packed enough into the wound, you can either place the rest of the gauze on top of the wound. You can just press down for 3 minutes to try and help with the pressure to stop the bleeding. If after 3 minutes that hasn't worked, another 3 minutes, and then a pressure dressing or suitable dressing to apply pressure is going to be required to keep this in place and stem any further bleeding.